Right, hi again folks. Now, today's quite interesting, well for me anyway. I decided to replicate the stripes from the near side, left hand side, onto the right hand side. So, I drew myself a diagram and I sat there and I measured all the stripes, the angles, all the rest of it, so I could copy it onto the near side, offside, sorry. Now, here's the interesting bit. Most vehicles are built to a tolerance of a couple of millimeters. And when I started laying the stripes out, I thought, this is a bit weird because they're not ending up in the same place. So I decided to check the measurements on the truck. So this is going to be a bit awkward with one hand, but we're going to stick the tape measure up there. Now, I know I fitted this trim, but it's fitted within a couple of millimeters side to side. So we'll stick the tape up there and we'll go down. And we get to the bottom and the tape's folded over so you can't see. But if I can hold this and hold this and move the tape, it is, where's the tape? Come on, it is 76 inches top to bottom. If I go round this side, and I measure from there, just under that lip. So I get it, I'll just hook it on there because it's easier. So go from there, down the side. Oh, moved it. It's hard holding the camera and doing this at the same time. So we hold the tape on there, go down to the bottom, and we have got, if you can see it, we'll just rest that on there, move the tape out the way, and I've got 78 inches. There is 2 inches difference side to side from the moulding I fitted at the top to the trim piece at the bottom. 2 inches. Now that's not a couple of millimeter. I've checked the measurement up here and we're within a couple of mil. You've got about 6 1/4 inches that side, and you've got 6 1/4 inches that side. So that's right, but the truck is 2 inches difference between the driver's side and the offside. Now that's a hell of a lot of difference. For those of you that are more modern than me, that's 50 millimeters difference in height. Now I'm going to set it up and just do it again at a different point just to check. So bear with me. We'll just stick the camera up there and I'll do this side. So just in front of the wheel arch, we're going from there, and we have got 77.5. Okay, 77.5. Now we'll check the other side. We'll do the same just in front of the wheel arch. And here we've got 78. So it's only half an inch difference there, but it's a lot more at the front. I don't know if it's because of where the door's mounted or what. I'm going to go from just in front of the door. So we'll get that on the trim strip, which is in the same place. And we'll come down to there, which is 78.5, which is in line with that moulding. And we'll go back to this side. Which is 76.25. So we've got nearly 2 inches difference side to side. Now looking at it, can't see. Yeah, I think it's because the moulding comes down, the body line comes down a lot lower for the door. You can see that there's a lot more of a curve down in the sill on this side. This one's dead. This one's, I don't know, it's quite a curve down here as well. So you've still got that curve down, but basically you've got 2 inches difference side to side. So that's fun when you're trying to mark the stripes up. So I'm going to have to change all my measurements to fit. I've started penciling where all the stripes are going on the side so that I can mask it up. I'm not going to bother because the weather's not very good, and I'm going to try and get it all penciled up so I can mask it and paint it all in one go. And tomorrow I'm off to have a look around Mathewson and see what's going through the current auction. Charlie and I are having a day out and running up to Mathewson's to have a look. So I shall carry on penciling it up, but I've got to change my measurements for this side. Doesn't really matter because nobody can see both sides at once. Well, you'd have a very strange head if you could. As long as the stripes look okay, that's fine. But unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to make them perfect side to side. Short vid today. Hope you enjoyed it. Give us a like and a follow. Next week, we'll get some paint on this thing. Cheers. Bye.